Let's learn to find the North Star. If you can find it, then you know where north is. And if you know where north is, you know where south, east, and west are too. And you can even determine your latitude. So first you have to find the Big Dipper. It looks like this. Think of it like a big ladle. Find the two stars that make the front of the ladle. It doesn't really make sense to talk about the front of the ladle in this context, but whatever, you get the point. Construct a line between these two stars and follow it this way until you get to the next star of any significant brightness. That star is the North Star, also known as Polaris. It isn't a particularly bright star, but it isn't that dim either. It's just the first star you get to on that line that's like a medium brightness. Let's practice. Can you find Polaris here? Good job, bro! You can confirm that it's Polaris because it is the tip of the handle of the Little Dipper. Once you find the North Star, drop a line straight down, perpendicular to the horizon. Where this line hits the horizon is north. So if you're facing this way, then south is directly behind you, and east is to your right, and west is to your left. And now you're not lost anymore, unless it is cloudy, in which case you're out of luck, bro. Polaris is special because the axis of Earth's rotation happens to point really, really close to it. This means that it never appears to change its position in the sky, no matter the time of night or time of year. If you want to determine your latitude, point directly at Polaris with one arm, then point directly at the horizon with your other. The angle between your arms is your latitude. If you were at the North Pole, you'd be at 90 degrees north, and Polaris would be 90 degrees above the horizon. And you'd be really cold, and maybe you get eaten by a polar bear. This is just a result of geometry and how latitude is defined. All this stuff only works in the northern hemisphere because you're south of the equator. You can't see the North Star. You need to use the Southern Cross instead, but I'll have to make another video for that. Slam Beck hopes you found this interesting. Have fun looking at the skies, my